My name is Sagar Thakur, and now I'm going to share my first interview experience, what I faced that time. And 2 years back, I got my final results. So somehow I cleared my final exams, and at that time I became a professional at the early age. So I was only 21 year old, and in my class, someone age was 25, 26, 27, 28. I was the youngest candidate in my class, and that was that was a very good thing for me. But still, someone was judging me that I'm not so mature. I will not able. I can't face the problem. I can't I can't manage my work. I can't give suggestion to the management. I can't work with the big MNCs, big company. And in my institute, the institute has conducted a campus placement, and the campus with a lot of company will participate, and they will take you in interview. According to that, you will be placed as per as per the company's requirement. So I took 4 interviews. First, I don't want to say the name of that company, but the company name was very big, and one was MNC and 3 was Indian company. So when I gave interview with the first company, so I was rejected just because of the management told me that my age is not so good. I'm not so mature. That is why they can't pursue. I mean, they can't continue with me. So I was totally surprised, like what the hell is it? I mean, my age is not so good. So are you judging me on the basis of my age? Somehow I have cleared my exams, but still I think that I can't handle all the problems. I gave interview in the second company. They also gave the same reason. I gave interview in the third company, and in the third round they gave me that reason that I'm not so mature. That's why they can't continue with me. So I was totally I was in the depression. Like, what's going with me? Like, somehow I cleared the exams. I'm very good at the finance. I'm very good at the numbers, and my number is also very good. But still, I'm getting the chance. But just because of my age factor, so I'm not able to get a job. Then I got call from my last company, that was Astral. Then they take 4 rounds of interview, and somehow they selected me. So I feel like then I asked question to them, like I said them, sir, my age is 21. So are you confirmed that you are going to select me? I mean, after that you will say that you are not mature, you can't handle all the problems here, you can't handle the pressure here, so that's why I'm not continuing with you. So I think please confirm your end also, so that I don't want to face these types of issues. So they said, yes, I'm sure that we want to hire you, and we want that you should work with us. Then I started working with them, and I got a good my performance was very good there. I got a lot of suggestions from the topmost seniors, from the top professionals, and I solved all the problem. So somehow I feel sometimes age become barriers, right? But if you are good, if you have confidence on yourself, if you think that yes, I can do, so I think in this world no one can break you. Sometimes you face the problem, but you need to prove that yes, you are the right, and your thinking was right, and you can do your work. So yes, that's what I feel, and that's what I want to share my experience with all of you.
Sir and my dear friends, my name is Sonal Kasana. Yesterday sir gave us one topic, and I want to tell my experience when I first visited Jhandewalan Cycle Market. It was Sunday. We decided to go Jhandewalan Cycle Market by car. When I reached there were a lot of cycles. I got confused which bicycle was best for me. When I entered one shop, the shopkeeper told me all the qualities of the cycles. The prices were very high, so I decided to went to next shop, and they also told me all the qualities, but prices was lesser than the first shop. After he tell me that Hero cycle which I selected for buying, he said that he gave that cycle at rupees 8,000. I was not satisfied with the price. Then When I went to next shop, he offered me same cycle at the price of 6500. I was happy that same cycle I got from that shop at less price. I would try to negotiate with the shopkeeper. He said that the last price of that bicycle was 66,000. So I decided to buy that cycle from his shop. I would tell my experience that it was good. We should try to negotiate as much as we can. Shopkeeper made us fool that they don't earn much profit. They know all the technique how to deal with the customer and manipulate them. It was a great experience to visit a huge cycle market and learn so many things from that place. Jhandewala cycle market is one of the biggest cycle market in India. Thank you.
All of you, I want to share my experience of Ladakh trip. First of all, I would say Ladakh is the mother of all the road journeys in India, and I went there with my friends. There were 5 friends, and I went there from my car, and I visited Pangong Lake there, and I visited Khardungla Pass, which is situated at 18,000 feet altitude, and it was the highest motorable pass which we can drive our car or bike, whatever, and it was a good experience for me. We drove bikes there on sand dunes. It was a soothing experience, and I visited also Magnetic Hill, which is situated in Leh. Ladakh is actually divided into 4 parts: Leh, Nubra, and Zanskar, and one more I forgot actually. And the native people of Ladakh are as innocent as the place itself, and it was a good experience. There are some things which cannot be put in words, but yeah, it was a good experience, and it was the best trip in my life.